So how you doing, everybody? So today we're gonna do something a bit simple. I'm gonna make a video of how to just do oil change. Something simple, you know, with this all-wheel drive swap cord, which is right there underneath the wraps. You know, it's a little bit too difficult so I'm gonna start a new series of just basic videos: how to do oil change, how to do brakes, how to install a J-pipe, which is going on the 07 Accord V6 6-speed. So that's gonna be the next video. So right now, this is my weapon. I like this filter better over the Fram and all the other ones. This one has very good reviews, and honestly I've never had issues with it. So run what you know, that's it. So what you're gonna need is oil, some tool sets, 2 jack stands, and a jack, and of course the wrench, the ratchet set to take off the oil drain bolt. So here we are underneath the car. You're gonna need a container to, of course, catch the oil. And there's one more thing I'm gonna need is a large wrench to take off the oil filter. So I'm gonna get that. But generally speaking, for Hondas, the oil drain is normally a 14. Sorry, normally a 17 or a 14. It's generally one of the two sizes. So once you have that, you're pretty much fine. But this is the same process for almost every car out there. So once you have this, jack it up, find the drain bolt, which is right here. So as stated before, that's the drain plug, and this is a 17. So I'm sure you've heard righty tighty, lefty loosey. So just gotta pull it towards the left, and then it'll be able to drop out. Just gotta be careful and make sure you don't spill all over your driveway. So that's the oil. It's kind of dirty, very dirty, but it's only 3,000 miles, I believe, so it's due. So once the oil has drained out, you just basically put the bolt back in, righty tighty this time. Just gotta wipe off here, get off all the excess. And here you go. And just tighten it righty tighty. It has to be snug, but remember it's aluminum, or you know, it's aluminum, so you don't have to basically strip it out, but it just has to be snug, you know, with a little bit of pressure on it. So like that's fine. So next we're gonna move on to the oil filter itself. So normally what I do is I take off the old one, then get a new fresh oil, put a little bit around the seal right here, and fill up in here a little bit. Since the filter is going on this way, I don't have to really worry about it falling out. So I just fill it up maybe halfway, so when you first start the car, it's not starting up dry basically. There you go, got the oil in it. Just gotta spread it around the seal. I normally just let it drain out a little bit, because since there's fluid in here, if it just drops, it's gonna make a big splash and create a whole bunch of mess. So yeah. Okay, this is one that most people don't really cover. We always gotta make sure the oil filter has that O-ring, because if sometimes in rare cases it'll stay on the oil filter, and then when you take out, when you add a new one on, you just have a major oil leak because now you have a double gasket. So that is what the oil filter housing looks like. Just gotta make sure it's the surface is clean. It doesn't have any burrs or any, like I stated before, the O-ring is not there. So normally I just clean it off, make sure everything is fine, and then apply the new oil filter. So just installing the new one right now. Okay, this has to be snug. You don't have to be crazy tight. You don't have to tighten the tool. It should be just hand tight. Okay, so once the oil filter is on, you just move up to the top. Don't forget to move out the old oil, you know. So this is the fill. Okay, some people are expert. They could do it without spilling anything. I'm not one, so I have to get a funnel. Okay, this is the cord motor. So it's 4.5 cores. So normally you just pour 4.5 in. Once everything is settled back on the ground, you just basically check the dipstick to make sure the level is correct. And if it's correct and it marked full on the dipstick, okay, that's the dipstick. So as long as within that graded section, you should be fine. So it should be towards the top though, towards the RCA, right by that line to the left of the RCA. So once you fill it all up, you just put the cap back on and just pull this dipstick out to check it. Here, as you can see, it's at the right level. It's right there by the line at the top right. So this is fine. And that's how you check your oil. So this is more or less how the car is right now. I gotta get a little bit of higher jack stand so I could jack up the front also, but that's probably going to be done another day. But yeah, so now I just gotta take these off, take the 1/4 inch out on each side, and just, that should be it. And just have the axles made. But now, besides that, just gotta fix the little gremlins I'm coming across. Still gotta put this interior back together. And honestly, where is that belt? So yeah, not much has changed since then. Just gotta close up the turbo.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.